Hi guys, I am dressed a little more formally than when I usually do a review in this format, but we're going to fly 40 minutes somewhere. You'll have to see where. I'll make you guess when we land, but we're going to a very special event today and I'm taking you along. I think this will be very exciting and I am thrilled to attend and see what this day has to offer. My legroom is so Guys, this is so much fun, crawling under an aircraft. Here it is, look at these engine blades.
Till SAS VD, Rickard Gustafsson. Men först så är det säkert många av er som vet att SAS i år också fyller 70 år.
For 70 years, travelers have always wanted more. Give more and see more. Do more and hear more. We are the kind of people who never really unpack. And the kind who dream in foreign languages. We come back with new perspectives, with new insights, ideas.
We're truly very, very proud and delighted to be here in Stockholm for a very important delivery for us. As you just heard from Rickard as well, also, you know, it's important, we're 70 years of SAS, 70 years, and ladies and gentlemen, we Airbus have now been partners with SAS for just about 40 years. It was in 1977 that SAS bought their first A300, moved on obviously since then, A340s, A330s, A319s, 321s and A320s. So the 320neo now is the latest in a long line of aircraft that we're very proud to be delivering to SAS. From my own personal point of view, with a long association with the airline, I can tell you, it shows my age, I even came here on the first A340 delivery flight, that was into Copenhagen back into 2001, and we're truly delighted with all our progress since then. And we started off calling the A320neo the Neo because it was new engine option. I think now, ladies and gentlemen, we're calling it new environmental option. Because as you just heard, we're already over 15% less fuel. In terms of noise, we're about half the noise, 50% of the noise of previous generation aircraft. 5,000 tons of CO2 less burnt each year, and about 50% less in NOx emissions.
There we go. Whoa. Så, då har vi gjort
Who? The Roman. It's the details that make it. So what is this? Crew storage?
Yeah, so this is the wardrobe where they can put
There's Chanel bags.
no, it's for crew, but it's also they can put it in the business class.
That's so stupid.
Let me take that picture.
No, I'm recording.
Oh, you're not going to take it?
Yeah. I'm not going to
recording?
take a selfie with this.
I was going, I'm going to...
Thanks for offering. Thanks for
Sometimes it gets too weird. Go ahead, I'm going to go. Man, I'm going to put this on my book.
Let's see. Okay, this I love. This is my favorite part, I think. It's very IKEA.
Yeah, I said that. Scandinavian.
Yeah,
What?
but it's.
Is this barge?
Whoa, what?
Okay.
This is good.
That I didn't know.
If you take a shot from here, just
Yeah. That's
this is
okay. That's
you got the
impressive.
logo and you got the USB outlets and you
Okay, look at this. Where's the back? Okay, there's extra leg room here, so this is where you want to sit. And then there's USB port right here. Honestly, to me, this makes this the best short-haul economy in Europe. Wow. Let's check out the wing view on this baby. Because this is SAS's first A320 with sharklets as well. So they just told us something completely insane. The Wi-Fi that they'll be installing on this aircraft from next summer will have speeds of 100 megabytes per second, going up in the future to 500 megabytes per second. I'm like, you're meant to be able to allegedly stream Netflix, HBO, whatever you use on the aircraft as you would on the ground. You can charge your iPad or iPhone with these little ports, and that's just insane. This takes intra-European economy class to the next level. Okay, that doesn't work. Alex, can you demonstrate the recline for me? Ooh, look at all that. And USB port. How's the leg room?
Good. Airbus standard.
Looks pretty good.
I've got room.
That's safety on board A320. I love these sassy, that pun was not intended, saying sassy. I like that they have the Scandinavian flags. It feels like a little jab at every other carrier that tries to expand into Scandinavia. It's like, but do you have projections of Scandinavian flags in the roof?
We have in addition then this support seat. So you fold it and then you can slide from the wheelchair over here and then over to the toilet bowl.
There we go. I hope you enjoyed this little tour of SAS's new A320neo. I was so impressed by this aircraft and I can't wait to fly it in real life. Doing this video was a little hard because obviously I couldn't do a traditional review without leaving the ground, but I tried to go through the seat and the cabin as thoroughly as I could. And if you want to see even more details or closer images of the seat and the cabin, you can check those out at a link I left in the description, and you can also see more pictures in SAS and Airbus's press releases, which I've also linked. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video once again, and until I see you guys next time, fly safe.